Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I'm back again with another product, and it is this guy right here. I actually have experience with these. I kind of like these dudes. What is it? It is a UGREEN KVM Switch, which stands for Keyboard Visual Mouse. I had to think about that one for a second. Basically, what's really cool about this is you can take two sets of computers and work them through one set of monitors, one set of mouse, and one set of keyboards. Meaning you can use the same mouse and keyboard. It's dependent, but same mouse and keyboard and same monitor or monitors, depending on what kind of setup you have, that you can switch between two different computers, laptops, systems, gaming systems, whatever. That's what's really cool about this. Go ahead and break this open and show you what's in the box. What is in here? Oh, I know what's in here. A ton of cabling in here. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. All right, cool. You have your, oh yeah, this is your European recycling label of the materials and stuff like that. It's required now in Europe, I think France. User instructions in the smallest print available, I'm telling you. I mean, and you can see all the connections, all the possibilities. You have, wow, they have multiple languages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I know what this is. This is, wow. So this is your switch, your HDMI cable. You should have 3 HDMI cables. 2 coming from each source, which would be your computers, 2 different computers, and then 1 going out to the single monitor. Old school, I think that's USB-B type. And then, yeah, second one. Basically what's going to happen is you're going to connect your KVM switches, you're going to have 2 datas and 2 videos. Those will all connect in, and then you'll have to this device here, and then go out to said computers. Yep, there you go. Here is your button. So if you do want this sitting on your console, your desk, or area where you're using it, you can use that. But if you don't, you plug this in its own unique where it says control right there, boom. Then you can hide this, like I said, somewhere wherever you want to and only use this remote. It's very nice. So in here, you do have the capability, which I do like is kind of cool, is that you can take this, connect to maybe to like a hard drive, an external hard drive, you plug it in here, and then you can share between the 2 computers. You also have your connections here of 5 gigabits per second. This is also 5 gigabits per second. 4K, and you'll tell it, oh, I know, this will light up and tell you which monitor or which computer is using what. It'll be computer 1 or computer 2. You do have your power, right? Here are your 2 HDMI connections. Here's your 2 computer USB connections that you'll connect to the said computers. Same computer, so if this is HDMI for computer 1, this is the USB for computer 1. And this one will be for computer 2, both. And then this is your single output to the monitor. That's all simple enough as me talking about it, but more importantly, how about we actually go and show you how it's done? So now that we've gotten this all hooked up, and again, very roughly set up, but I'm just showing you how interesting this can be between the 2 devices. I'm going to show you that this keyboard and this mouse and this monitor will all be controlled between these 2 computers that you should be able to see from up there. Now, right now, as you can see, I'm copying this computer. Let's go ahead and open Microsoft Edge and type in YouTube, there it is. Plugs in, and there you go. So here again, here's the function. We're gonna go ahead and click that button, and now what I should have is this on here. And in this case, I've extended it. So you can't see it over here, but you can see it over here, that it's red over here, and it's an Excel sheet over here. And that's because I've extended it to 2 separate monitors. This one currently, I haven't done any setup to it, is basically mirroring the monitor. But as you can see, all I've gotta do is click a button and switch between the 2. This is identifying it. There they are. They're being mirrored as we speak. And I've proven on this one that I can use this mouse. Now watch when I switch over. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and it will probably show the Excel sheet. And there, I'm using this mouse. It's moving around, and I'm typing in hello world, and I've got it on cap. Again, this switch or this one on the top, if you look here. And also if you notice here, I don't know if you can see it from that far of a distance, but it'll actually tell you between the 2 that you're switching, computer number 1, computer number 2. And now what's really cool about all this is that you've got extra space to connect other items that you want to share between the 2. As a prime example, if you had a thumb drive that you wanted to store some files on and switch between the computers, if you had something like an external hard drive, maybe even a printer. So what I love about this, and I really love this feature of this, is that all you got to do is click a button and you now switched over to another computer. It takes a few seconds for it to identify it, and then also, for most importantly, your computer is going to identify, hey, I got a second monitor set up, or I've got a mirrored monitor or whatever, and there it is. And again, use the mouse, switch over, and you'll see that will pop over there, and then use the mouse. So I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time, and I'm out.